Most people looking to get into CNC work get intimidated by the sheer complexity of these machines. But this VEVOR unit tries to bridge that gap without making you feel like you need an engineering degree just to get started. Right out of the box, it feels surprisingly solid. It is built from industrial-grade aluminum, and you can tell they put some thought into the stability here. It doesn't feel like a flimsy toy that's going to rattle itself apart the moment the spindle hits a piece of hardwood. The assembly is actually pretty painless too. Since about 70% of the heavy lifting is done before it even reaches your door, you are really just bolting the main frame together and plugging it in. It's a nice change of pace from those kits that arrive as 1,000 tiny screws and a headache. What really catches the eye is the workspace. You get about 15 by 15 inches of room to play with, which is honestly quite generous for a machine in this price bracket. It gives you enough breathing room to actually make something useful, like custom signs or intricate wooden panels, rather than just tiny trinkets. And the offline controller is a massive win. Having a 2-inch touchscreen right there on the machine means you don't have to keep a laptop tethered to the thing, which saves a ton of desk space and keeps your computer away from all the sawdust. The knob control is tactile and responsive, making those fine adjustments feel much more precise than clicking a mouse. Now here is the reality check. This isn't a plug-and-play appliance like a toaster. You have to bring some knowledge to the table regarding programming and software. VEVOR provides the test files to make sure the motors are moving correctly, but you are on your own for the actual design software. If you have never touched G-code or CAD software, there is going to be a learning curve. Also, while it handles wood, plastic, and foam like a champ, don't expect to go carving through thick steel or super dense materials at high speeds. If you push it too hard or try to take too deep of a cut, the motor will let you know it's struggling, and you might see the path start to drift. It's a machine that rewards patience and steady, incremental work. It's not the fastest thing on the market, but for the price, it's a solid, reliable workhorse for anyone wanting to move beyond basic woodworking into something a bit more technical. If you are willing to learn the software side of things, this thing is a fantastic entry point into the world of digital fabrication.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.